Good morning, welcome back to another video. I'm just getting over flu and I've still got a bit of a cold, so my voice is a bit dodgy at the moment. But we've just come to Wingham again. We come here quite a lot. Lucy has a red panda experience voucher to use, so that's why we're here. And it's quite a popular one, I think, because there wasn't many dates left, and we had to book it by 22nd of January because they got it for their birthday last year, and we've only just got round to doing it. Lucy's just spotted the Arctic wolves here, which this video is going to be over 2 different days because Chloe has got the Arctic wolf feeding experience, but I couldn't book them on the same day because they just weren't. Lucy's one wasn't available when Chloe could do, and Chloe couldn't do today because she's at work. So we're going to start off with Lucy's experience and a bit of the zoo, and then we'll go on to Chloe's one. So we're just walking in to Wingham now, and her experience is booked for 10:30, which is in about 15 minutes, so we'll be going straight there. Do you think it's stuck? No, I think it's stuck. None of them are rushing to help it, though, are they? Yeah, it'll climb up.
I've been told that you grow cold. Bless your little heart of gold. Ain't no cure for growing old. Gotta make the most of your life. There's a brand new dawn on a brand new day. Don't sit and wish your life away. Sun is shining, make some hay. Make the most of your life. I don't care if people stare. Brush your teeth and comb your hair. Come on, brother, get out that chair. Make the most of your life. There's a brand new dawn on a brand new day. Don't sit and wish your life away. Sun is shining, make some hay. Make the most of your life.
So what did you think of your experience?
It's so cold.
Show me your hands. They're like bright red.
They're not as bad, but I just put cold water on them, so now I'm even more cold.
Did you not think to use the hot water?
There wasn't any hot water.
Oh. So what did you think of your experience?
Good.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Worth the wait?
Raccoons. Raccoons? Red pandas are really cute. Because I was thinking about the raccoon dogs.
Do you think they feel the same?
What?
A raccoon and a red panda?
Probably.
She said they don't feel
They're
soft.
not soft, they're like fuzzy.
Oh.
Oh.
Right, let's go.
Yeah, it's
I
cold.
just see the Arctic wolves. It's a nice weather for them. I don't know whether, oh, there's one just running over there.
Oh, look at the dolphin. It reminds me of Animal
And there's
Jam.
the other one.
You remember Animal Jam?
Yeah.
You could be the Arctic wolf.
Good. Going into the reptile house because it's warmer in here. Very warm. Oh, can't open the door. Oh, push, that's why.
No.
No, 6, 7 of legs down and 11 of legs.
That is big.
It is, isn't it? Look at, did you see the bird's heel up?
It's so slow moving though. And their feet are weird as well. It's going to lick the water. What is it doing? Going in the nocturnal house now, but I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see anything because it's quite dark in here. But we'll see what I can get.
They're really cute though. Gremlin looking, aren't they?
Big ears.
Oh. Oh yeah, you can't see them naked mole rats.
I'd love to be about and just fly around and eat fruit all day. Oh no, look. Oh, it's because his legs are tucked up. He has got legs. Ooh.
I feel like its wings are so like thin. I feel like you'd be able to break it easily unless we got a hammer.
I think so.
That one is chunky. When it's like that, you just want to stroke it, don't you?
Yeah. Tiger's he was over that side. We've just walked all the way around. He's followed us all the way around. There were two in there before. I don't know where the other one is. We looked inside but couldn't see him or her. He's going to go all the way around there now. This is the capybara house. Oh, there they are. Not the capybaras. I was to say about these little birds. They've got little nests in these gaps up here. So they keep going in and out. Oh, there's one up there. Oh, oh.
Eggs or something.
It's a bit early for eggs, really. It's too cold. Oh, there's a capybara. And there's another one over here. Eating his cabbage.
I think it'll work.
Try it. Got a bite off the other end. Just going to see if she can drink the hot chocolate through the twigs.
Not my idea.
It might just melt, but
No way that's happening.
no, really. I thought it would work. It's got gaps in it. You're working.
Yeah.
Told you.
No, it's not
it's
in there, is
melted. No. Maybe just wait for it to cool down a little bit.
No, that's just melting now.
Oh, it worked for a
It
little
worked
while.
for a sec. I'm gonna melt it in there.
Oh well, never mind. Just looking at you.
love them.
I've got a voucher to come and feed the giraffes that my mum and dad got me for my birthday. I'm going to wait till spring though, when the weather's a bit warmer. Yeah, and I get to come and feed these, which I'm very excited about doing.
I might go after her.
Heard you.
It's really creepy because his eyes are so close together. I'm not a fan. Look at that, such a man thing.
Putting its hair forward.
It's trying to hide its receding hairline. Do you think they've had like an argument, like they're getting divorced or something? She doesn't seem happy in that. She's forever trapped with him.
Aww. Maybe.
It's so creepy. It reminds me of that TV program. You know when they're trapped on the island and then you've got like the three.
No. A sloth. So slow. Why don't you put your foot up there, Lucy? He wants a kiss.
No thanks.
But not with them teeth.
No. Oh, please don't roll off. I'm really scared it's going to roll off. Their ears are so weird.
Got your little certificate, participation.
Participation award.
Add that to your collection of other participation awards. Right, it's now a few days later and a lot colder. We're back at Wingham for Chloe's Arctic wolf experience. She's already gone in because we were running a little bit late, so I literally just dropped her at the gate and she ran in. And Lucy and I have just come in, so Lucy's just coming down there now. So we're just going around to watch her experience as well. So I don't think they can go in with the wolves because obviously they're wolves. So I think she feeds them from the outside, but I can just see something happening down there now. I think she's doing it with some other people by the looks of it. I'm not sure, so I'll take you around there now.
He's eating.
Fair enough. Yeah, at least you can get a good look at both of them. Good boy.
Arctic fox, even big animals like moss, oxen and caribou,
Yeah.
they'll take down as a pack. Good, nice.
How was your experience?
Why? What is she videoing today? Yeah, it was really good, actually. Thank you.
Did you get lots of information?
I got lots of information about the wolves. I'm really intimidated right now. Look you in.
Then go through the line, or go through the line, then through the line.
Oh, they're so funny. Who's this, Stephen?
No, that's the daddy one. That's the mummy one. No, the mummy one. What's in here?
Wow, I think I would run away and cry. Imagine looking up in the trees. Look at him swinging. Imagine looking up in the trees and just seeing that staring at you. Oh my god. Look, he's inside the top of now. Get off. Oh, look at that, just oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh. So funny.
Please don't come up. What's over there? Oh, they're cuddling.
Oh, look, and he's smiling at us. Baby's getting more attention. Them smiling isn't a good thing. It's a away from. Oh, look at him sitting there. Oh, literally. Please don't fall off. I'm not sure how far he falls off.
No, he's sitting there at the moment, isn't he?
Wait, wait.
Lucy,
Why do I imagine just ants coming at me?
this is one of Chloe's favourite bits. It's all the bugs, the millipedes and spiders, cockroaches.
Oh, another hissing cockroach. Sorry. Oh, look at this.